guys, so now I'm gonna react on Mass Jatra trailer of Ravi Teja Shri Leela by Sitara Entertainment. So before I start, hello I'm Monali Naiko. Welcome to my channel नखरे वाली मोना. और अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो प्लीज टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. So let's go.
కేజీ 2 కేజీలు కాదురా 20 టన్నులు ఈ రాత్రికే సరుకు గూడ్స్ ట్రైన్ లో ఎక్కించండి.
అది మన ఊరు స్టేషన్ అక్కడ రైల్వే ఎస్ఐ గారు ఉంటాడు.
ఇన్నాళ్ళు నువ్వు నా లిమిట్ లోకి రాకని దందా నడిచింది. ఇక నుండి సత్యనాష్. నేను రైల్వే పోలీస్ కాదు, క్రిమినల్ పోలీస్.
మేడం పిల్లలు రాలేదా సార్?
మేడం పిల్లలు రాలేదా సార్?
రిచ్ సినిమాలో సీఈఓ ఎంత బాగుందిరా మీ వదిన.
స్టేషన్ మాస్టర్ సార్, పేరు దేవిప్రియ.
మీరు ఒక్కరేనా? మీకు బ్రదర్స్ ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా?
ఒక అన్నయ్య ఉన్నారు సార్.
అతని పేరు భానుప్రియ.
ఓ, మీకు జాన్ గ్రీషమ్ నావెల్స్ అంటే ఇష్టమా?
ప్రాణం అండి. నీ చేతిలో మొత్తుందా?
నీకు వెడ్డింగ్ కాదు కదా, ప్రీ వెడ్డింగ్ షూట్ కూడా కాను. మనం ఎందుకు మా రాలగొట్టాం? 2 ఏళ్ళు అయితే అవే రాలిపోతాయి.
జనగణమన ఎవరు రాసిండ్రు?
పూరి జగన్నాథ్.
లక్ష్మణ్ అంటే రాముడు బద్దరు అర్ధాయిస్తూ పోతే ఆంజనేయుడు బతికించిన క్యారెక్టర్. ఇక్కడ సంజీవిని లేదు, ఆంజనేయుడు రాడు. ప్రతి కరిపోలమ్మ జాతరకి శత్రువుల్ని బలి ఇవ్వడం నా అనువైతే ఈ సుట్టు నాను నిన్ను బలిస్తున్నాను రా.
రైల్వేలో ఈస్ట్ జోన్, వెస్ట్ జోన్, నార్త్ జోన్, సౌత్ జోన్లు ఉంటాయి. నేను వచ్చినాక ఒకటే జోన్, వార్ జోన్.
October 6 p.m. onwards. I did not understood what does this mean, 6 p.m. onwards. Matlab, where is it going to get? It is going to get released in theaters only, right? Yes. Okay. So there were no subtitles and I got to know about it after playing the video. So I had no idea earlier. But whatever emotions I could understand, by which this is a proper masala movie, mass masala movie, which has lots of action scenes in it, where there was like the police वाली जो शॉट था जहाँ पे वो हथकड़ी उनके हाथों में ऑटोमेटिक जुप करके वो शॉट. There were so many scenes. The snake scene was something unexpected. Such kind of scene I've never seen earlier. So that was something for me very much unexpected. If you guys have watched that scene earlier in any movie, do let me know in the comment section below, because I have never watched it. So because what happens is whenever I say that, people are like, हमने पहले देख लिया है, आप ये पहले बार देख रहे हो, ये इधर हुआ है वो उधर हुआ है. So I don't know, you guys will let me know in the comment section below. But the trailer itself was full of dhamaka. The song with Shri Leela must be too much of power pack, because we all know Shri Leela is of another level now since Kurchi Marte Petti. Okay, and kisi ka. We never loved the Pushpa 2 ka songs, right? पुष्पा 2 के सॉन्ग्स पुष्पा 1 के कंपैरेटिवली हमको पसंद नहीं आए. But then it is again, you can say, Kisik song everybody must be knowing, and that is because of Allu Arjun and Shri Leela. The same way Kurchi Marte Petti is something which is the most hit song in my Zumba class. People love it like anything, and that is because of the music and Shri Leela energy, Mahesh Babu energy. So yeah, the songs will be very good. Love angle, romantic angle is also here. So that is why I called it as a proper masala movie, because you will see each and every emotion in this movie itself. The slow mos, the action, the pop wali thing, the villain who is equally powerful, you can say, because I could see that snake and everything. The religious sentiment is also there, I could feel, because Panchmukhi Hanuman ji को भी दिखाया गया है इसमें, the photo of Panchmukhi Hanuman ji, and lot many ऐसे surrounding थे जो temple या भगवान के इर्द गिर्द होगा, because I could not understand the language and there were no subtitles available. If I am wrong, you guys please correct me in the comment section below. But this is what I feel is this movie is a proper Telugu masala, you can say, a proper that kind of movie जहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्लो मोज है, क्लोजअप्स है, एक्शन सीन्स है, उठा के पटक देने वाली चीजें है, एंड एक एक चीजें ऐसे जिसपे आप विसल मारे. तो ये मुझे वो विसल मारने वाला जो भी सब टाइटल में दे सकती हूँ इस मूवी को, आप मुझे कमेंट में बताओ कि तेलुगु में विसल मारने को क्या, विसल पोडू, व्हाट इज विसल पोडू, आई डोंट, विसल मारने वाली चीज नहीं होती जिस मूवी पे अपन विसल मार के एंजॉय करते हैं, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में नीचे जरूर बताना. ओवरऑल आई लव्ड इट. इट इज गोइंग टू गेट रिलीज इन ओनली वन लैंग्वेज इट सीम्स, बिकॉज देयर इज नो ट्रेलर इन हिंदी और एनीथिंग एज सच, एंड इन द एंड आई डिड नॉट इवन सी दैट कहीं पे मेंशन किया था दैट इट इज गोइंग टू गेट रिलीज्ड इन 4 different languages, 5 different languages or so on. So I guess this is going to get released in only one language. They said premieres on 31st October and from 6 p.m. So the first show is always at 8 a.m., 7 a.m., whatever. It depends on the craze, like what kind of craze people have, and accordingly there are shows. But here I could see that they are going to release it at 6 p.m. So I thought it is going to get released on Netflix, Amazon, or any other OTT apps. Is it that? But I couldn't see that. If I am wrong about it, do let me know in the comment section below. So each and everything, right from the mustache to the thing which is holding in his hand, what is that weapon, tell me in the comment section. So the weapon he's holding in his hand, everything looks power pack, too good. The blood and everything, this would be like too much of action, too much of bloodbath and everything you could see in this movie as well. This is what I feel. And Sri Leela is also looking good. The chemistry between them is good. BGM is playing a very big role right from the start, because when you don't understand the language, there are emotions and BGM which will help you understand what is happening around. If there is suspenseful BGM, then you understand, okay, this is something very suspenseful thriller kind of. Okay, so this is what I feel. What do you feel about it? Do let me know in the comment section below. This was my reaction. जितना हो सके लाइक कमेंट शेयर से भर दो गाइज, हो सके तो सुपर थैंक्स भी देना, मेरे चैनल की ग्रोथ के लिए हेल्प हो जाती है. बाकी परत मिळालीचा